You're looking for another RC car? Well, neither was I, but you know. Sure looks like a BMW. Nice hard body plastic. Cool rims. This is what they're calling it, a swoosh. There's the label. Obviously the picture looks lowered. Here you got finger's width. But look at that, nice body style. Go to Banggood. Say it's 54 bucks. It comes with a bag. Those are the Drift R tires, cones. I googled that part number. Comes with a book. Comes with stickers. Comes with a remote. But here's what I like about it. Turn that on. Check out this hard body. Turn it on right there. But check this out. See how it's got those ribs? Fits solidly in there. So that body's on there nice. Turn the dial. Now let's see how it drives. Got those little turn lights. Alright, switch to the harder drifting tires. Alright, am I happy with how it drifts and the fun I'm having with it? Yeah. Do I like how it looks? Yeah, absolutely. Do I think the gyro is helping me drive better? Not at all. I'm not quite sure what the different buttons do. Up here it says lights, which obviously turn on and off the lights. This mode, there's one with the solid lights, there's one with the blinking lights, and then turns the lights off. I'm not sure how that works. Not sure quite what this one does. It says ESP Plus. Does that do anything? so the ESP absolutely got doing something with the front wheels as you're driving it. Does it really help me? No, because I'm that bad. Hopefully it helps you. Hopefully you like this video, and that it helped you decide whether or not you thought this entry grade, like $60 RC car is worth your time and energy. I'm enjoying it, but then again, I'm an addict, and I always like getting a new RC car like once or twice a year. Alright, hope you enjoy. Have a great day. God bless.